Here's 2 Antony stats for you. He had 6 shots on target on Saturday.
Okay.
6. It's also his first Premier League goal of the season. Which, by the way, Burnley fans will probably be able to tell you that if you put a compilation together of the goals they conceded this season, probably about half of them come from them giving the opposition the ball in their final third, unfortunately. No, I would not be considering Antony. Realistically, if Rashford, and we don't quite know the prognosis on him at the moment, if Rashford is fit, Rashford will go back in the team, Garnacho will go on the right, Antony won't even start.